guys, Fun Toys and Crafts, and today we have a toy review. Look, the Lion King, Simba. Oh, this is a Funko Pop Simba. Ooh, these are really cool. I love Funko Pops. This is my first one reviewing it. Ooh, I love that picture right there on the box. Ooh. It says Simba 4547. Ooh. Oh, look at all the different ones you can collect. You can also collect Scar, Timon, Pumbaa, and Rafiki. Ooh, it says collect them all. And it kind of shows a picture of Simba right here, like half of his face. Simba. Oh, you can kind of see him right here. Another half of his face. And another half of his face. And it says Simba vinyl figure. So let's open him up. Let's pop him open. All right, so let's see. Get him on out. Woo! Oh, whoa, look at Simba. Looks really cool. Okay, so this is really cool. So let's open him up, pick up this plastic part. Whoa. Come on out, Simba. Woo! Ooh, look at him. Look at Simba. Ooh, look at his glossy eyes. So glossy. They look so sticky kind of too. Oh my goodness. Look at the texture. Oh, it feels so cool on him. Oh, and I love all the colors on him, like the brown. And that fades into like a lighter brown, maybe like a French vanilla color, kind of. I don't know. It's just so beautiful on him. Oh, look at those cute little teeth. And he's just a cub. He's got very sharp teeth. Oh, look at his claws. Ooh, Simba, you've been really improving those claws. Ooh, Simba, you look awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Oh, you can see his little hair at the top. Oh, it's so cute. I wonder if he can move his head. Let's see, can you move his head? Oh yeah, you can. He can totally move his head. Like whenever in the Stampede in the cartoon. Yeah, looks so cute. Oh no, Simba, run away. Dun, 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 dun. You can also move it this way. He also looks like in the Stampede. You can also have him look straight and kind of make it look all the way back. Oh, around, turn it back together. Ooh. Okay, guys, so we have a bonus. Yep, we have a bonus. McDonald's. I'm loving it. They have new Lion King toys for 2019. So you better go to McDonald's now. Get a Happy Meal, and you'll get a Lion King toy. Let's open this one up. Snip, 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 snip. Let's cut him open. Whoa, careful with baby Simba. Here we go. Woo! Whoa. Oh, whoa. Let's look at the instructions. Oh, we have a little token right here. Ooh. We'll look at that a little later. Oh no. The instructions tore, this little paper tore. Which is all the different toys you can collect. Like Mufasa, Sarabi, Rafiki, and Simba. And Nala, Simba, Timon and Pumbaa. We have Zazu. And we have young Nala and Simba. Let's open up Rafiki. Ooh. Let's get the plastic part off. Ooh. Oh, look at Rafiki. So cool. See him right there? Kind of see him? Well, anyways, he's holding a baby Simba. You see him? Oh, he looks so cute. He's just a baby there. Okay, guys, so it says the Lion King. Hey, parents, enter for a chance to win. See back. Well, other than that, this picture looks so cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this toy review, and remember to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss all my newest videos. And don't forget to roar into my next video, and don't forget, God loves you. Bye!